Hello guys, I'm showing you today what I am using for my topology for the Internet Experts rack, and I'm using the setup with a breakout switch. I've been on the IEOC community learning how to get it to work, and it's been working great for me ever since. So it doesn't look very neat, but here's my my breakout switch. It's a 3750. Here's where all the breaking out of all the trunk VLANs are at. My switch 3 and 4 are 3550s. Then switch 1 and switch 2 are 3750s, which used to be 3550s, but I replaced switch 1 and switch 2 for some 3750s, and I've been able to do all the IPv6 stuff, and for example, TCL, EEM. I've had a bunch of other things that I've been able to do now that I don't have the limitation of having the 3550s. And as a matter of fact, my old 3550s are down here. They're not really doing anything, but as you can see, I have them turned off, but I still have them. And of course, here's my server. This is a Dell 2850. It only has about 4 gig of RAM, and it's got 2 Xeon processors. It's not. I got it for like 250 bucks on eBay, so couldn't ask for more. This is the only cable running to the back of the server, which is getting trunked. So the server has 2 connections in the back. One goes for the rest of the network. So this is how I'm able to connect to it remotely. And then this other is the trunk to the back of the breakout switch. And as far as power, I have my power strip here with all of my switches connected, with switch 1 through 4 and the breakout switch. And then I have a little UPS down here for the server, because if the power goes out, I don't want the server turning off. I don't really mind if the switches turn off, because they'll turn back on by themselves. So that I don't really have a problem with. Here I have some cooling for my setup. This has actually been working very good for me. It's very efficient, and I have this tube going all the way up to vent out the hot air. And what I have here is an R900 server. This is currently one of my testing servers that I have, and it's running ESXi 5. And right now, here's where I have my VMs that are running the Internet Experts troubleshooting topology. So right now, I'm doing the boot camp with the INE boot camp for troubleshooting, and I'm using the VM. It's a Windows Server 2008 VM with it's got 16 gig of RAM, and I think it's got 6 or 8 virtual cores running in there, and it's been running good. I have other stuff in here, but that's what I'm using for the 32 device topology. I have a NetBots appliance here for temperature monitoring and whatnot. So yeah, this is my little lab that I have at work, and this is where I have all of my stuff. I am able to keep it on 24/7. I don't ever have to turn it off. And one good trick that I'm doing for connecting to all of my devices remotely, so all of the virtual routers and stuff that are running inside of the server, is that I do port forwarding. So when I'm at home and I need to telnet to my routers, I have the console ports of each of the virtual routers forwarded on my NAT router, and I'm able to connect remotely. So here, this is it. This is my setup. Here's all my stuff. This is how I'm studying, and let me know what you guys think. Bye.